Welcome! In this video I'll guide you through the process of installing a new gas bottle. Before beginning, make sure that all the regulators on the gas cooktop are fully closed to prevent any gas leaks. To connect a gas bottle, you'll need to purchase a gas bottle with a safety valve which should not exceed 2.8 kilograms in weight, and a connection hose. Open the fixing belt straps and carefully place the gas bottle in an upright position within the designated area. Position the gas bottle so that the gas hose can easily reach the gas bottle's connection point without being stretched or strained. Screw the union nut of the connection hose onto the gas bottle's safety valve by hand until it cannot be turned further. Do not use tools to tighten excessively, as this may damage the connection. Then connect the other end of the hose to the regulator as shown. Once the gas bottle is properly connected, secure it firmly using the fixing belt to prevent movement or tipping. Then follow the instructions on the gas bottle to turn on the gas flow. Finally, test the ignition of the hob burners, ensuring the main control panel is turned on. Thanks for watching.